Hi guys, it's Diamond. And today is for me is the Peacock day. Yes, because today I make these two cover. They all in the same leather, the Peacock leather. Yes, they are beautiful. You can see. And one is the B6 regular, and the other one is the Fiona regular. Yes, and they are stitching in in the in the green thread, so it's very matched to the cover. Very beautiful. Yeah, you can see. And because I have to tell you guys, the peacock green is going to also just like the Bloody Mary I have, and it will going to very quickly to sold out, and all the leathers will just run out, and unfortunately it won't come back to my shop anymore. Yes, and if the leather could come back to my shop, maybe about I still need to wait for the factory, the rebuilding the factory. So I only have the last two big piece. I only have these two big piece of the peacock green amount in my shop. I just received these two pieces of leather today. Yes, and this is also the factory the last amount of the peacock green. So just like all the leathers I have in my shop, they are all lifted now. Just like the white cherry is lifted and the chocolate is lifted. Before they are all the regular leathers to me, but now these are going to be the lifted leathers. Yes, I'm so sad about that. And you can see this is the B6 and with two secretary in the front and back. Yes, and she want the traditional elastic closures here. So these two are all beautiful. And because I want to make this video, just want to tell you guys, because the factory's issue, so there are so many leathers in my shop. If them all run out, and I have to wait a long time until the factory rebuilding and start to produce the leather, or I don't have the beautiful leathers in my shop. Yes, so it's really a bad news to me. But you guys, if you like the leathers, okay, just go get it as soon as possible, because I said all the leathers in my shop, besides the smooth leathers, all the textures, very textures and very peppy leathers in my shop, they are going to be the limited leathers in my shop. Yes, now I only have two piece peacock green in my shop, and two piece wild cherry in my shop, and one piece chocolate in my shop, and the old boots in my shop, they are all going to become the lifted leathers in my shop. So if you are still looking for what you want and what leather you like and what cover you need, just make soon as possible, because while they are all sold out, I have to wait a long time, and I have to spend time to looking for some good leathers to install all the beautiful leathers in my shop. Okay, so this is the video today. I want to say thank you to Tammy and to Annie. Yes, I want to say thank you to you guys, because these two notebooks is all done and we will ship it tomorrow. Okay, and hope you guys will love the video today, and remember the the words I said is all very important information to you guys. Okay, so if you are still looking for any letters you like in my shop, don't be hesitant, just go make order soon, or they are really quickly to run out. Okay, so hope to see you guys next time. See you, bye bye.